Exotic indoor cacti bring sculptural beauty, fascinating textures, and eye-catching forms that instantly elevate any indoor space. These resilient plants require little maintenance yet offer extraordinary variety, making them perfect for both beginners and seasoned plant lovers. Get ready to discover nature's most striking spiny masterpieces as we explore the finest exotic indoor cactus plants. Let's begin with monkey tail cactus or Hilduintra coleodemononis. The monkey tail cactus is one of the most unusual and eye-catching exotic indoor cacti. Its long, trailing stems are densely covered with soft, white, hair-like spines that resemble a monkey's tail, making it a favorite for hanging baskets. Native to the mountains of Bolivia, this cactus enjoys bright, indirect light and well-draining soil. Water only when the soil has completely dried out, as overwatering can cause root rot. With proper care, it rewards growers with stunning bright red blooms that beautifully contrast against its fuzzy stems, creating a spectacular display indoors. Brain cactus or Mammillaria elongata cristata. The brain cactus is a truly extraordinary indoor cactus, famous for its twisting, brain-like shape formed by a natural growth mutation called cresting. Its dense, golden spines add texture while protecting the plant, giving it a unique sculptural appearance. This exotic cactus stays compact, making it perfect for desks, shelves, and sunny windowsills. It thrives in bright light, fast-draining cactus soil, and needs watering only after the soil is completely dry. Easy to care for and unlike any ordinary houseplant, the brain cactus is a stunning addition to any indoor cactus collection. Pincushion cactus or Mammillaria cactus. The pincushion cactus is a charming and compact indoor cactus loved for its rounded shape and neat clusters of tiny spines. Belonging to the Mammillaria genus, it includes many beautiful species that are perfect for small spaces and sunny windowsills. During the blooming season, it often produces a crown of colorful pink, white or yellow flowers, adding extra beauty to its spiny form. This low-maintenance cactus thrives in bright light, well-draining cactus soil, and requires only occasional watering after the soil has dried completely. Its easy care and attractive appearance make it an excellent choice for indoor cactus enthusiasts. Godzilla living rock cactus or Ariocarpus fissuratus Godzilla. The Godzilla living rock cactus is one of the rarest and most extraordinary indoor cacti, prized for its massive, deeply fissured tubercles that resemble rugged stone formations. A unique cultivar of Ariocarpus fissuratus, it grows slowly but develops an impressive sculptural appearance that collectors admire. Unlike most cacti, its thick body has very few visible spines, giving it a distinctive look. It thrives in bright light, gritty, fast-draining soil, and requires very little water. With patience and proper care, this exceptional cactus becomes a breathtaking centerpiece in any exotic indoor plant collection. Fishbone cactus or Discocactus anguilija. The fishbone cactus is a stunning exotic indoor cactus known for its unique zigzag, fishbone-shaped stems that create a dramatic cascading display. Native to the tropical forests of Mexico, it naturally grows as an epiphytic cactus on trees rather than in desert sand. This unusual plant thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers a well-draining cactus or orchid mix. Water when the top layer of soil feels dry, avoiding soggy conditions. With proper care, it can reward you with large, fragrant white flowers that bloom at night, making it one of the most fascinating and beautiful indoor cacti. Ming-Thing cactus or Cereus fourbaceae monstrose Ming-Thing. The Ming-Thing cactus is a rare and highly collectible indoor cactus admired for its quirky, knobby growth that resembles tiny green coral or miniature sculptures. Its unusual monstrose form develops naturally, making every plant unique. This compact cactus is perfect for desks, shelves, and sunny windowsills, adding an artistic touch to any indoor space. It thrives in bright light, well-draining cactus soil, and requires minimal watering once the soil is completely dry. Slow-growing and exceptionally low maintenance, the Ming Thing cactus is an excellent choice for collectors seeking one of the most distinctive exotic indoor cacti. Moon cactus or Gymnocalcium mihanovici, Hibotan. The moon cactus is one of the most colorful and eye-catching exotic indoor cacti. Its vibrant red, yellow, orange, or pink top lacks chlorophyll, so it is grafted onto a green rootstock to survive. This unusual combination creates a striking two-tone appearance that instantly brightens any room. The moon cactus thrives in bright, indirect light, well-draining cactus soil, and needs only occasional watering after the soil has completely dried. Compact, low maintenance, and available in brilliant colors, it is a favorite choice for beginners and collectors looking to add a unique touch to their indoor plant collection. Starfish cactus or Orbia variegata. Despite its common name, the starfish cactus is actually a succulent that is widely grown with indoor cacti due to its similar care needs. It is best known for its spectacular star-shaped flowers, decorated with intricate maroon and cream patterns that resemble the skin of a starfish. These unusual blooms are designed to attract pollinators and make the plant a true conversation piece. The starfish cactus prefers bright, indirect light, gritty well-draining soil, and infrequent watering. Its bizarre flowers and easy-care nature make it an unforgettable addition to any exotic indoor plant collection. Hurricane cactus or Lepismium cruciforme F. spiralis. The hurricane cactus is a rare tropical cactus admired for its twisting, spiraling stems that give the impression of being shaped by a swirling wind. Unlike desert cacti, it naturally grows on trees in humid forests, making it an excellent choice for indoor environments. Its graceful, cascading growth looks especially beautiful in hanging baskets or elevated planters. This exotic cactus thrives in bright, indirect light, a well-draining potting mix, and moderate watering when the soil begins to dry. With its unusual form and elegant appearance, the hurricane cactus is a standout addition to any indoor plant collection. Dinosaur back plant or Myrtillocactus geometrizans F. cristata. The dinosaur back plant is a spectacular crested cactus prized for its dramatic, wavy ridges that resemble the rugged back of a dinosaur. This rare growth form develops through a natural mutation called cresting, giving each plant a one-of-a-kind sculptural appearance. Its blue-green stems and intricate folds make it a striking focal point in any indoor cactus collection. It thrives in bright light, fast-draining cactus soil, and requires only occasional watering after the soil has completely dried. Slow-growing, low-maintenance, and incredibly unique, the dinosaur back plant is a true treasure for exotic cactus enthusiasts. Spiral cactus or Cereus forbaceae spiralis. The spiral cactus is one of the most mesmerizing exotic indoor cacti, admired for its perfectly twisted, corkscrew-like stems. This naturally spiraling growth pattern gives the plant a striking architectural look that instantly becomes the centerpiece of any room. Native to South America, it thrives in bright light, well-draining cactus soil, and needs only occasional watering after the soil has dried completely. With its tall, elegant form and easy-care nature, the spiral cactus is ideal for both beginners and collectors looking to add a rare and unforgettable specimen to their indoor plant collection. Button cactus or Epithelantha micromeris. The button cactus is a tiny yet remarkable exotic indoor cactus, treasured for its perfectly rounded shape and delicate white spines that give it a soft, frosted appearance. Native to the deserts of North America, this miniature cactus grows slowly and remains compact, making it perfect for windowsills, terrariums, and small plant displays. In spring or summer, it produces charming pale pink flowers followed by bright red fruits. The button cactus thrives in bright light, fast-draining cactus soil and requires very little water, making it an excellent low-maintenance choice for collectors and beginners alike.